In today's video, I will be showing you how I obtained this look in my living room. Really trying to get into the fall mood, and so found a few things, decorated the place, and wanted to show you guys. So stay tuned. Welcome back to another video. Welcome back to the channel. On today's video, as I told y'all, I'm going to be showing y'all how I decorated the living room. Picked up a few pieces from Ross, and this plant here, I actually got that at Lowe's a couple of weeks ago. Here I am just going through the items that I did pick up at Ross. Found these pumpkins. These were only $4.99 a piece. Pretty nice size, probably like a medium size if I had to guess. The color on it was just perfect for what I was trying to go for, and picked those up, as well as some smaller pumpkins that I did find at Walmart as well. These were only $1.14 a piece. Very nice to go with the decor and what I'm trying to do with these tables. I picked up 6 of them in total. I got the green, the yellow, and the orange. A couple of them actually had the glitter on them to make them sparkle a little bit, which was a really nice feature as well. Also, I picked up these candles. Now, these candles were actually $10.99 a piece, which is a pretty good price compared to what Bath and Body Works charges for their plants. Plants for their candles. So it really wasn't a bad price for those, and they smell really, really good. It's the pumpkin spice scent, and guys, when I tell you, it lit up the whole living room with that pumpkin spice. And then I did also pick up a candle holder. It's a really nice candle holder. Again, when you find some things at Ross, it's usually just one. So that means I'll be back on the hunt again to find the other one to match it. But I had to grab that one as well. Also picked up these mirrors, which I'm going to find a place for in another video, but it added more detail as far as what I want to do with the living room. So I'm not even sure if I'm going to put those in the living room, but I picked those up as well. The 2-pack for those mirrors were $19.99 for those two. Baby, this clock. Y'all, this clock. I had to get this clock. I don't know what it's gotten into me with all of the glittery glamour type stuff, but I'm really on that right now. So again, when I saw this one, I had to grab that as well. Very nice feature for, and you can put it in your bedroom, the living room. I still have not found a place for it just yet, but I definitely had to pick that up as well. 2 more pieces to add. The wall decor, the bling bling, they actually had 2 of them. I was so surprised. Picked up the diffusers. We're going to add these to the tables, also in the orange color for fall. Grab those as well. Also, these pumpkins, Ross had these as well. You get 3 in a pack. Another nice feature to add to the fall decor. Picked up these coasters as well. I think those were like $3.99 for that pack of 4. These mugs were $4.99 a piece. And guess what, guys? They had 2 of them. So I grabbed those as well. And as promised, these are the lamps that I purchased at Ross a couple of videos back. I think I showed y'all that this was an amazing find. They actually had 2 of them in Ross, so I had to grab them, and I could not wait to show y'all how the final look came out. But yeah, just wanted to say, if you are new to the channel, welcome. I am Christina Lynne, and if you're not new, welcome back. Hey girl, hey. Y'all let me know, have you all started to decorate your home for fall? Give me some ideas if you have any, or if you have any input on how I could make mine better, the setup, because I have no idea what I'm doing. I have to be completely honest with y'all. I am not the best at decorating. I try, I do my best. I do the best that I can with what I have. It doesn't really require a whole lot. You don't have to spend a bunch of money to make your home look good and feel good. And I'm learning that. So, y'all, I would love to know, what do you use in your home for the fall? Do you put up a wreath on the front door? I mean, just what do you use or what do you do to make your home welcoming for fall? So let's finish setting up these tables, and I will see you all in a few.
I'm thinking you were made for me. Isn't it my birthday yet? Cause I gotta say, you're looking like a gift for me. Wrapped up nice and neat, baby. Get in my way now, don't be shy. We'll be here dancing day and night. Get in my groove now, don't be shy. Cause I got this list of my favorite things. You could be the part where it all begins. You could be the first and the second and the third and the rest of it. You could be one of the things I love. Sunday morning breakfast with my bedroom door locked. I like everything that has a cherry on top. Get on my list of the things I love, love, love. You could be the one I trust. All the second chances, they are nothing for us. I like it all with the cherry on top. Be one of the things I love. We don't have to move so fast, baby. I will show you how you can catch my vibe. And right away, got so much time looping in the blurry lights. Get in my way now, don't be shy. We'll be here dancing day and night. Get in my groove now, don't be shy. Cause I got this list of my favorite things. You could be the part where it all begins. You could be the first and the second and the third and the rest of it. You could be one of the things I love. Sunday morning breakfast with my bedroom door locked. I like everything that has a cherry on top. Get on my list of the things I love, love, love. You could be the one I trust. All the second chances, they are nothing for us. I like it all with the cherry on top. Be one of the things I love. The things I love, the things I love, the things I love, 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 love. The things I love, the things I love. Be one of the things I love. The things I love, the things I love, the things I love, 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 love. The things I love, the things I love. Cause I got this list of my favorite things. You could be the part where it all begins. You could be the first and the second and the third and the rest of it. Get in my way now, don't be shy. We'll be here dancing day and night. Get in my groove now, don't be shy. You could be one of the things I love. Sunday morning breakfast with my bedroom door locked. I like everything that has a cherry on top. Get on my list of the things I love, love, love. You could be the one I trust. All the second chances, they are nothing for us. I like it all with the cherry on top. Be one of the things I love. The things I love, the things I love, the things I love, 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 love. The things I love, the things I love. Be one of the things I love. The things I love, the things I love, the things I love, 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 love. The things I love, the things I love. Be one of the things I love.
So this is what the final looks like. I actually ended up taking out that smaller pumpkin and putting it on top of this pineapple candle holder. I actually found this one on Amazon in case you're interested. I probably will put the link in the description box below. But I ended up moving some things around to fit what I liked, and I think it came out pretty good. So needless to say, for somebody who doesn't really have a lot of experience with decorating and just really trying to find their way, I think I did pretty good. But until next time, guys, this is the end of the video. I hope you will consider subscribing if you like and join the family, because we're going all the way up, honey. Okay, well, I hope I have inspired you all in some kind of way. Let me know if y'all are gonna head over to Ross to see what y'all can find. But anyway, until next time, I will see you in the next video.